Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day and it is my 267th Floss Tube, and today is February 4th, 2025. Here we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And of course, for a new month, we have a different cup. So this is the cup for February, and I am drinking jasmine green tea today. Just 'cause, yeah, it's been kind of a busy week. I know this doesn't look too busy, but there's a whole bunch of other stuff that I forgot to write down. Yeah. As I was going through my couch, I've got like 6 feet on the other side of me that has nothing but cross stitch. So we're going to start with the starts. We did have 3 reviews last week. Amazing but true. Don't know how that all happened, but yeah. But we had at least 5, possibly 6 starts. So yeah. We'll start with the first one, and it is from Biggest Craft, and this is in no particular order. It is what I call Victorian Twilight, and I started on this building, and I did not get any more, hang on, I got to get the thread separated from it, done than what we did in the video. So yeah, it's just that one side, and it is a mixed stitch, so we tried something new this week, so I guess it's not a total loss, right? Yeah. So let me find a home for that. We also started this one from VIP Part 1. VIP Part 2 is going to be tomorrow. Yeah. Just a canvas, please. And it is the Cat and Pillow. I don't know, what is it called? Orange Cat. Okay, that's probably what I called it at this point. And all I got done, as you can see, was that corner of that pillow. So yeah, not a whole bunch done. You'll see why later. Yeah, I just kind of got distracted, if you will. It happens all the time around here. Yeah. And, since I had nothing started, I thought I'd start this one. It came from One Day Saving, and I only got it in 2022. But, yeah, it was kind of working for me, so I just kept stitching on it. And I don't know how to say that, but it is the famous wave picture from Japan. And it's by a famous Japanese artist, and if you know, put it in the comment section below. You'd think that I would know that by now, but yeah, no. So I worked a bit on the black and a bit down here, so not much done, and I'll show it to you from this side. So all these things are outlined in, whoops, either 310 black or 939 or 823. So yeah, not a whole bunch, but yeah, I just kept stitching on it, and it was working, and I wanted to start it, so yeah, here we are. And my hair has a life of its own today, so if it's like here, there, and everywhere, you'll know. We haven't had any moisture, so it's drier than dry. So one of the other starts that I did was this one, and it's in silk, and it came from Outdoor Tide, and I'm not sure. Been working, I don't know that you can tell. There are 2 shades of red there. So I started on the outside, and I went like I said I was going to, so I started on the next symbol, and that's what this is. I'm not sure what color exactly we have. I know the outside is 666 red, so that one might be 321. I have no idea. But yep, that's all I got done on that. So yeah, and I really like it, so we'll just keep it out again this week and find a home for it right now. Man, that sucker is heavy. And I'm pretty sure, you know, I don't know. Yeah, I think I worked on this or started this week. Can't remember. And it is Year of the Snake. It says 129. So, yeah. So, for the video, this might be the second week. I don't know. So, correct me if I'm wrong. We started up here with that real pale color, and then I went into working on his head because it had all those luscious colors. So, you can see from the back, it's very confettied in his head. So I'm just taking one color at a time. So that is what it looks like. Every once in a while, if I, you know, have an extra piece of thread, I'll throw it up here in the flowers and that kind of thing. Because I had some extra of that red, as you can see. So I just used it there. But yeah, it's coming along. I really like working on it. Just one thread at a time. That's about all I can handle. And that was all the starts. Woohoo! Speeding along. More tea. So, all the starts are done. We also worked on my one color koi. I don't know what else to call it. And there is more than one koi, as you know, and it's done with 666 red. I do not have a picture of it, and I was going to attempt. This thing is huge. Oh, here we go. So, and I think it goes this way. So, yeah. Part of that fish done, got all that done, and then you flip it, and that's all we've gotten, because I keep getting into those larger parts and I'm kind of avoiding them like a plague, because you know that just bores the crap out of me. So yeah, here we are. So that is all that I did on that. Didn't get back to it either. I should really keep it out because it's great in winter, because I don't know if you can see this. We probably got, what is that, 4 feet this way, and it's folded in half. So it's about 8 feet long. Yeah. But there's a lot of material, so it works well in the winter time. Yep. And we also worked Spring in the Garden. This one is actually from Paint Some Way, and as you'll remember, I got another copy of this, so yeah, I didn't get any further. But, oh, it goes that way. My bad. Yep, it's sticking up in the air, because there's all your writing. So that's all I got done on that. And I had already previously started that and was working in the flowers down below. I didn't show you a picture. I'm sorry. Some days I'm just completely so not there. Oh, now we have an issue. Hold, please. Okay, we'll fix it later. And, of course, this is the only picture that I have of it. So we worked just a bit on that, but I previously had gone and worked in these red flowers down in here. So, yeah, it'll stay out for a bit, I'm assuming. Don't make any promises. I also worked on my golden dragon, and I do have a picture of it. Just, where is it? There it is. Oh, there it is. This is much better. There we go. And I did that flower. I haven't done the background black. And I've been working like right in this area of his head. So yeah, and a few of the, there's like, I don't know if you can see it, like an outline stitch of, say, a flower here, but the inside of it's going to be black. So I picked it up, and since I had the other silk one out, I thought, why not? I got 2 pieces of black because I needed the black. You'll see here in a minute. Let me fold it. So basically, I about got his face whooped. So I used that black, and then I had to keep using the silk because putting it away sucks. Yeah, because it just unfolds itself, and it's terrible. So yeah, he is beautiful. I just love this pattern. Just absolutely. And I have 2 more strands of the black. Yeah. So we keep it out at all times. I did work a little bit on Mediterranean. Where is its picture? I love this too. It's 14 count. And I'm working over here. So, yeah. Not much. Whoops. Hold please. There's always 90 threads. That way I can pick it up and just stitch. So, it's coming along. I was working basically on this building. Whoop. Trying to get it out of your way. That goes into this other building over here. And just up in there a bit. So, yeah, I really love this too. I'm kind of sad that it's not Egyptian cotton, but I love it anyway. I really do. I like working on it. I can pick it up. It's not confettied. Yeah, it's awesome. One more, guys. Oh, God. Of course, this bag must weigh 5 pounds. Seriously. This was from New Craft Day. I just adore it. Not making a whole bunch of progress on it. Oops. And the picture is right here. It is of the 9-tailed fox. And I've been working, I'm trying to get my hands right in here. So we'll see what happens next. But I was sick of working on the pink. You remember that part, right? Hold, please. Okay. So I was kind of tired of working on that pink. Between my hair and that sticky mat, let us not go there. And of course, I wanted to show you that I did start some of that blue. And evidently, I know it looks green here. There we go. Maybe it'll look a little bit better. So yeah, I still got to come down. Oh please, the sticky mat's escaping. Right there with that symbol. Yeah, it was too much, so I had to go on to something else. So I'm getting the trees done little by little, but I wanted to put some blue and blue-green in there. Yeah, it's just gonna have beautiful, beautiful colors. But yeah, my shoulders started bugging me, so yeah, not happening. One more time and shift. And I don't know if, I'm pretty sure I worked on this because I was waiting for other things and, you know, to show up. Hold please. Of course there's a piece of thread there. This is the butterflies and grapes. I really like this too. Just too many that I like. So, I've been trying to figure out which way's up. Working along this side. About got that leaf accomplished. Added a couple more strands over in here. But the leaves are looking very impressive. So I've just got like the part of it, top part, and then there's that other symbol. And of course there's that yellow that goes behind it. Not real thrilled about working on that yet. So haven't worked up the courage. But do like it. Do like it. Yep. So basically I've been working on the leaves more so than anything else. And that, finally, is it. 7 days, people. 7 days, probably 3 projects a day. Yeah, and I worked on a couple others, but no great, stupendous progress, so just not even talking about it. You know, some days. Like, what is it? Watertown Memory. There was a thread, so I finished the thread, you know, and the Hanyan ladies, the ladies where they're on a pier and then there's people in the boat. I got it, gosh, 3-ish months ago, sort of, from AliExpress. Yeah. I finished a black strand, so please, yeah, some more tea. So that is it. That's all that I did in the past week. I don't know what I'm going to stick with other than the wave and the snake and probably this one. I really like it. Of course, Mediterranean stays out. So, yeah, some of them just stay out and I just work on them at will and when I want to. So, yeah. Nothing is like jumping out at me, say, work on me. I got a hair somewhere. Of course I do. Saying, you know, stitch on me. It's terrible having long hair. I'm just going to take scissors and cut it, right? No. Don't worry. That ain't going to happen. Yeah. So, this week, I have no idea. Probably have some reviews, and Saturday we'll do February stitching, and the theme is red. So, if you want to stitch red, do whatever craft you do with red, that's fine. That's the theme for the month. But other than that, that is about it. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.